Oh, forget it.
Oh, yeah, fractal Bitcoin.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, this is your daily Bitcoin news video, and this show's all about your future prosperity. Well, over the weekend, guys, look, it was a busy night at Stonehenge as they moved the stones back 1 hour. Yeah, come on, got to start it off right. But today, Bitcoin is down. Ooh, now we're in the 66K range. Wow, we were just at 67K. Here we are, 67K. But look, yeah, so we spent the last, 6 days coming down. Not a big deal. You see, we're still making higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So far, a higher low, so it's going to continue. And yeah, this is a great way to visualize it. You see these pink dots here are the lower lows and lower highs. And then look, they switch to green. Higher lows and higher highs. So this is good. This is really good. And this is a big structure. This is 8.5 month structure or 8 month structure. So this is very reliable data. So yeah, and here's Bitcoin after US elections. It has always gone parabolic. And it has never dipped back lower than the price on election day. Look at this. 2020 election, the Bitcoin price was $13,569. 2016 election day, Bitcoin was $726. Ooh. And look, 2012 election day, $11.20. Okay, we can't even comprehend that. But so right now, today or tomorrow, let's say we're at 67,000 tomorrow, then look, you could see these white horizontal lines. We never go back down all the way to touch that level again. Although about a year and a half ago, we came close, right? We went to 15K and change. So, but yeah, these past cycles, we never even came close to it. So yeah, it's looking good. And yeah, the 200-week moving average is at an all-time high of 40,739. Yeah, this averages the previous 200 weeks, and it plots it. And look, it just keeps going up. This is Bitcoin. So 200 weeks is about 4 years, right? It's about 2 months shy of 4 years. So yeah, that's great. And yeah, in terms of adoption, these guys from Bernstein Research say Bitcoin is to hit $200,000 by the end of 2025, regardless of who wins the election. And yeah, 200K is a bit low from what I've heard around the industry. A lot of people say 250 or 350. And of course, people say 500,000, 600,000 as well. But yeah, I mean, this is like, in traditional finance, a reputable firm. So anyway, this is just showing you that traditional finance firms some of them now understand that Bitcoin is going to go way up. Yeah, and this is adoption. Europe's largest telecom provider, Deutsche Telekom, to test Bitcoin mining for surplus energy. Oh, wait, they're wasting energy. Where's all the climate idiots going nuts? They should be picketing outside of Deutsche Telekom because they're bleeding energy. They're wasting energy. Oh, but look, they can start mining Bitcoin and use that surplus energy. Oh, so Bitcoin is actually saving energy. Huh. Yeah, and this is the first UK pension scheme to invest in Bitcoin. They made a 3% allocation, says Cartwright Pension Advisors. So yeah, more adoption in the UK. They're putting part of their pensions into Bitcoin. Wonderful. Yeah, and this is Fold, the Fold app. They're introducing insured deposits. And it's a groundbreaking new feature available to all Fold users. Insured deposits. This feature allows anyone to deposit or receive Bitcoin directly into institution-grade cold storage custody covered by $250 million of insurance. Yeah, and Fold, they also have the Fold credit card. I believe this is the same company. And yeah, anyway, and again, I'm not promoting this company, Fold. I'm just saying that look at what's happening. There's a company now where you can put your Bitcoin with them and they'll insure it up to a certain amount. So that's interesting, right? This sort of, traditional finance doing these kinds of things or even insurance. This has never been heard of in Bitcoin before basically this year, pretty much. So what I'm saying is this year, everything is taking off. Major, major adoption. It's really good. All right, subscribe to the channel if you'd like to. And let's get into some government nonsense and US dollar nonsense, because Bitcoin solves these issues. Really does. Yeah, here's the global financial system burning, and here's Bitcoiners. We're just chilling, playing golf. I mean, look, this isn't just today. This is going to be for years and years to come. This is what you and I are going to have to do. As the global financial system implodes and collapses and inflation goes insane, we're going to have to just chill. That's what we're going to have to do. Yeah, and the Fed might cut rates this week, I believe on Thursday, but a 25 basis point rate is almost 100% probability. Everyone's anticipating another 25 basis point rate cut, which again, this sort of spurs on the economy and gets things moving again. When they cut rates, it's cheaper to borrow, and so people start buying things and borrowing money, and the economy gets a burst of energy and a burst of money, and things can happen. So that's coming this week. But yeah, the problem isn't the chain of command. The problem is the chain of obedience. Yeah, this is speaking of government. Yeah. See, we're all worried about who the president's going to be and all this. And it's like, yeah, well, look, we're all obeying immoral laws and ridiculous laws. So anyway, this is a little deep, but look, let's get into Peanut the squirrel. This is obviously huge news. The owner of Peanut the squirrel explains how New York officials raided his house, took Peanut and his raccoon, and killed them. Yeah, 7-year-old Peanut and Fred the raccoon were euthanized after anonymous complaints. Yeah, so some idiot neighbor complained for no reason, literally no reason. And then the New York went in there and they were going to take his pets, I guess. And then apparently Peanut bit one of the officers. And so then they just took him and they killed them both. And the owner thought he was going to get his animals back. He didn't know they killed him until a day later or whenever. And so, yeah, who had a squirrel becoming a national martyr for freedom in November? I mean, it's a funny meme. I'm not laughing at Peanut, R.I.P. Peanut. But, and here's the Babylon Bee. New York authorities announced Peanut the squirrel died of COVID. And yeah, this is just a reminder, this whole Peanut story, just a reminder that the people who killed Peanut the squirrel are the same ones who think illegals who rape and murder women should get off scot-free. It's the same government. It's the same government. The government does not like you. They don't respect you. They don't want you to live free and prosper. They want to enslave you and tax you to death and harass you and come in and take your pets and kill them and all kinds of other stuff. Let illegals in the country to murder people. This is the government. They're not good. It's horrible. All of it. But yeah, here's the real question. If giraffe centaurs existed, would they look like this or like that? I think I would. I mean, the one on the right to me looks cooler. The one on the left, I mean, it just doesn't look right. But what do you think? Left or right? Put it in the comments. And yeah, this is if animals took selfies and posted them online. About to eat this idiot. Blessed. The lion's like, yeah, I'm about to eat this idiot. Blessed. Well, this is our website, fractalbitcoin.com. All our episodes are here. Lots of information. And you can even click the donate tab and come over here and donate some sats. I really appreciate you guys. I don't have any other way to bring in any revenue. So any sat donations, you can donate Bitcoin, Lightning, or on-chain, or you can do it through a credit card. So I appreciate all donations. And also, we have our locals community. I gave up on our locals community about a week ago, and then Ep.213 joined. So he's the first paying member of locals. He already started posting a bunch of stuff. And anyway, this could be such a cool community. And I think I put it at, what is it, $5 a month or something? But you can join for free and just sort of watch everything I post. But I post everything on YouTube. So, but yeah, that's it for this Bitcoin update on Monday. Hope you guys are doing great. The election is tomorrow. So if you want to vote, go vote. And we'll see what happens. It's going to be circus. It's going to be clown world. It's going to be insane. I just hope it doesn't get too insane. But all right, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's Bitcoin news video. All right, bye.